Introducing Shower Fresh Ultra Dry from Secret.
Abby, the babysitter's gonna be late.
pH balanced for a woman's chemistry. It keeps you drier than any other form. Now with the new Shower Fresh scent.
That's nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Secret Ultra Dry, now in new Shower Fresh scent.
We're gonna be late.
Very late.
24 hours a day, your baby is stuck in a stuffy diaper, but other diapers aren't designed to breathe. Here's the first one that is. New breathable Pampers Premium has airflow material along the sides and helps keep baby skin dry, which is a breath of fresh air. Pediatricians know air helps keep skin healthy. That's why Pampers created the first breathable diaper. Make them happy. Keep them dry. New breathable Pampers Premium.
You got the right combination, you're gonna win. It's all about basics, basics, basics. You gotta get fired up. You're hot, you're unbeatable. I know a winner when I see one.
This Halloween, he's coming with something they never expected.
Cookies!
Simply roll out Pillsbury sugar cookies, cut, bake, then create your own deliciously spooky cookies.
Woo, woo! Woohoo!
If you're staying home this Halloween, you can still scare up all the thrills you need with Disney's Toy Story on video. It's not for the squeamish. And it's not for the weak-hearted.
I don't believe that man's ever been to medical school.
Because the movie you've been waiting to get is the video that's just dying to get to you.
So play nice.
Disney's Toy Story on video October 29th. Rated G.
Someday, an angel lies to protect a fugitive and faces the ultimate penalty.
Your existence as an angel is threatened.
Paul Winfield returns, touched by an angel after 60 minutes.
On Mondays, the Wilsons always wore blue. On Tuesdays, they always played pinochle. And on Thursdays, they always ate Chef Boyardee. Then one Thursday, a can of new Superiore ravioli accidentally dropped into Mrs. Wilson's bag. Superiore had a richer, redder sauce, firmer pasta, and plumper ravioli. In fact, it's preferred nearly 2-to-1. The Wilsons love the taste so much, they've been known to eat it on a Friday wearing checks. New Superiore from Franco-American. It's not what you're used to, it's better.
Fisher-Price presents The Great Adventures Pirate Ship.
Ahoy! Bluebeard attack! Batten down the hatches!
Fire!
Fire!
Shiver me timbers!
Have him walk the plank.
But I'm your dad.
The adventure never ends on the Fisher-Price Great Adventures Pirate Ship.
On Saturday mornings, Bisquick pancakes come out picture perfect. And if they don't, they still taste just as good. Bisquick. Make the most of it.
A good sweat isn't so good once the game is over. That's why there's new Irish Spring Sport.
It has an extra antibacterial ingredient that kills odor-causing germs better than regular soap. It's new Irish Spring Sport. Play as hard as you like.
Show your friends that you really care about them. Offer to be the designated driver. The designated driver is the life of the party.
Pooh Bear is back with a vengeance. In an all-new Halloween special. To you, Winnie the Pooh. CBS next. When a man is offered the opportunity of a lifetime.
I need you in Wyoming by the end of the week.
Can Dr. Quinn give up everything to follow the man she loves?
Would you expect me to say yes just like that?
CBS Saturday.
You know, if I could rearrange the alphabet, I'd put you and I together. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Hey.
Amoco Silver. For performance you can depend on.
When you're hungry, experts say to eat your food more slowly. Hey, why not just have more food? New Hearty portions from Stouffer's Lean Cuisine. The great taste of lean cuisine and a heck of a lot more of it.
Finally, a bread maker that fits in the palm of your hand. So quiet, all you'll hear is... Woohoo! Pillsbury Quick Bread. Just 3 minutes box to oven for warm, irresistible banana bread.
Even cleans up after itself. Woohoo!
Want to bet your money on at the movies? The hits and misses at 10.
Oh, Great Pumpkin, where are you?
It was impossible to make Wendy's grilled chicken sandwich any more delicious. So we made it bigger. Now our marinated whole breast filet is bigger and juicier. And you can really feel good about eating it.
Boy, do I feel good.
Expressions of love, cuddling, tickling, frosting. Betty Crocker rich and creamy frosting. When you love someone, spread it on thick. With Betty Crocker, life is sweet.
Oh, no.
When Bill inherited Vera,
I got an apartment with a no pets clause.
he didn't want to take her home.
Okay, honey, where's the stairs? Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
And the last thing she wanted
Don't sit down! Go!
was a driver with an attitude.
Get away from there! That's cold!
But along the way,
Our church is falling down.
Is there anything you can do?
a miracle happened. Larger than life.
You're gonna leave a ring around this lake!
Rated PG. Starts November 1st.
It's showtime, kitty.
A virtual reality adventure game!
Secrets of the Crypt Keeper.
Haunted?
Boo!
Tomorrow morning on CBS Kids! Happy Halloween!
Boo!
From the all-new Barely Kippers POV!
That's me.
CBS Kids in the half! Tomorrow morning!
Tonight, we celebrate Halloween with Winnie the Pooh and his friends. Hello, I'm Michael Eisner, head of the Walt Disney Company. Trick or treat. Now, who do we have here? I was expecting Winnie the Pooh, and I had this giant pot of honey just for him.
Oh, but Michael, it is me, Pooh. Don't you recognize me?
Well, I guess I'll just put this honey away.
Oh, Michael, please.
Just teasing, Pooh. Just teasing.
Good.
Enjoy tonight's feature.
Campbell's has just come out with a new soup that's so good, so intensely flavorful, so incredibly delicious, so exciting, so distinctive, so downright mouthwatering that you can't eat it. Well, by itself. Introducing new Campbell's Healthy Request Creative Chef. It's soup that's specially prepared to cook with, loaded with premium herbs and spices instead of fat and salt. It turns a normal meal into a masterpiece.
Hey, this is good. Yeah, almost too good to eat.
New Healthy Request Creative Chef soups makes ordinary meals extraordinary.
Hey, that's great. But who are the chefs?
Not going anywhere for a while?
Great googly moogly.
Grab a Snickers.
You spell it.
Yeah. Cookies.
Say, you know, I think our neighbor might like one, too.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Got milk?
Bill and Susie sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, then comes marriage, then comes the baby in the baby carriage.
Whether you're expecting wedding bells or a new baby, Target has perfect gifts for the best times of your life. Stop by the Target gift registry, get a scanner, and scan in the gifts you want. It's quick, easy, and fun.
Lullaby, Club, Wed, and more. Only at your Target store.
It's Halloween.
Ronald, wait a minute.
McNugget Buddy's so scared?
Because we're chicken.
Oh, you don't want to be chicken on Halloween.
Yeah, you don't want to be a scaredy cat either.
What's coming up at McDonald's this Halloween? Ghoulish McNugget Buddies. With costumes you can rearrange, plus masks to give your face a change. You get one in each Happy Meal you buy.
Now that's handy.
Happy Halloween from the all-new
Project Geeker!
I am so on top of that.
CBS Kids in the house tomorrow morning.
When a man is offered the opportunity of a lifetime,
I need you in Wyoming by the end of the week.
can Dr. Quinn give up everything to follow the man she loves?
Would you expect me to say yes just like that?
CBS Saturday.
Once each year, as October...
Wow!
It's Russian-style Pound Puppy.
It's a Pound Puppy with hair down to there.
Russian-style Pound Puppy.
Cool hair accessories you both can wear.
Russian-style Pound Puppy. Let's get ready for the ball. A tiara for you and a bow for me.
The prettiest Pound Puppy is new Russian-style Pound Puppy with long hair you can brush and style in so many ways.
Tonight's the party. Let's sway your hair up.
Russian-style Pound Puppy.
I love you. There's so many different ways to style her. New Pound Puppy's Russian-style puppy, each sold separately. New from Galoob.
On Mondays, the Wilsons always wore blue. On Tuesdays, they always played pinochle. And on Thursdays, they always ate Chef Boyardee. Then one Thursday, a can of new Superiore ravioli accidentally dropped into Mrs. Wilson's bag. Superiore had a richer, redder sauce, firmer pasta, and plumper ravioli. In fact, it's preferred nearly 2-to-1. The Wilsons love the taste so much, they've been known to eat it on a Friday wearing checks. New Superiore from Franco-American. It's not what you're used to, it's better.
If you're staying home this Halloween, you can still scare up all the thrills you need with Disney's Toy Story on video. It's not for the squeamish. And it's not for the weak-hearted.
I don't believe that man's ever been to medical school.
Because the movie you've been waiting to get is the video that's just dying to get to you.
So play nice.
Disney's Toy Story on video October 29th. Rated G.
Next, meet two spies who fit in anywhere.
So what's up?
Hanging out.
Try not to fall.
All new Mr. and Mrs. Smith, next.
Sunday, an angel lies to protect a fugitive and faces the ultimate penalty.
Your existence as an angel is threatened.
Paul Winfield returns, touched by an angel after 60 minutes.
It's a big night for Raymond.
I was someplace today I haven't been in 30 years. Guess where I went? The barber.
A special Everybody Loves Raymond after Murphy, CBS Big Comedy Monday.
Named Winnie the Pooh.
My fans, I have arrived.
Oh, hi. Why don't you have a seat right over there?
Is this one of those retro 70s chairs?
No. Comfy?
She sold us out!
Check, please.
You got the right combination, you're gonna win. It's all about basics. Basics, basics. You gotta get fired up. You're hot, you're unbeatable. I know a winner when I see one.
She's my Cabbage Patch snack time kid. She really loves to snack. Wow, she really chews. Eating her is so much fun. Your banana's all gone. Let me feed her. And when you think she's through, look inside her backpack and like magic. Wow. The snacks keep coming back. I love to feed my Cabbage Patch snack time kid. Cabbage Patch Kids Snack Time Kit comes with all the play food you see here. Each sold separately, batteries not included. Room hotel.
Happy Halloween from the all-new Barely Kippers POV.
That's me.
CBS Kids in the house tomorrow morning.
It's showtime, kitty.
A virtual reality adventure game.
Secrets of the Crypt Keepers.
Haunted. Wow.
Tomorrow morning on CBS Kids.
Welcome home to America's Night of Television. Sully's offered the chance of a lifetime.
I need you in Wyoming by the end of the week.